Hey y'all, it's the last day of Vlogmas 2020. It is day 31, December 31st, 2020 already. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed Vlogmas. I'm looking a hot mess. This is my last day of looking a hot mess in 2020. So this is my last video. What I'm about to do, I'm about to get cute. Because I want to be cute when 2021 rolls in. When it rolls in here. So yeah, let me go get ready. Let me go get cute. Let me bring it in right. I'll be back. Looking a hot mess. Take a look, because this is the last hot mess you're going to see in 2020. Okay, y'all, I am back. I hope this is a good angle. I hope you can see me, see my hair. What I did, I ended up adding one more bundle. And it's just twisted into an updo. So you've seen the preparation that I did. And I just pinned it up with hairpins just to my liking. And put on a little eyeshadow. The Royal Affair BH Cosmetics. I use the, what is this one here? It's this gold look right here. The gold one here. I use that one. I can't see what it says right off. It's covered up a little bit. Can't see it. And I used one of the Wet and Wow Zodiac sign from the Zodiac sign collection. This is the 676A, and it's the Virgo. Hey, my favorite. So yeah, actually I just popped that open. I forgot that I had got another one because when I first tried these, I have a video trying pretty much all of those, 2 videos trying those from the Zodiac line collection. Yeah, but anyway, the Virgo is what I'm wearing. Pretty. So yeah, I finished my hair. Let me get up. I wanted to make sure you can see my hair. Now I want to make sure you can see my little bit of outfit that I put together. I was going to do something real glam, real fun, you know, but what's to do? It's nothing much to do, so this is all I'm wearing. Just put on a t-shirt, which I had got at the 2019 Cincinnati Music Festival. Planned on going to the 2021, but we already know how that went. Put on my jacket here that I got from Fashion Nova. Put on my, I hope you can sleeve. Put on my little faux leather pants that I got from Target. And my little combat boots, I guess you want to call them, that I got from Target. Okay, so hope that you were able to see my full look. Let me just see. This is what I have. This is what I'm working with. Just something quick and fun. My little t-shirt. I got some writing on the back, but I'm gonna try to make this quick. So back to this. Y'all, this is the last video. How do you feel? We made it. Vlogmas day 31. Vlogmas 2020 day 31. So happy New Year's Eve. I hope I can get this up before New Year's Day. So happy New Year's either way. I want to quickly do a shout out. And I've been trying to get you all to interact with me. Comment, like, comment, subscribe, share. Because, you know, I know it's, I mean, even if you thumbs up, thumbs down, you don't like it, just some interaction. Okay, y'all, real quickly. My surprise giveaway winner is Mighty Strong, who has done 264 comments, 477 likes or hearts. More giveaways to come. I'm running out of time here with memory space, but I want to say keep showing engagement so that you will be in for the giveaway. Drop your name in the comments now. Keep commenting on each video that I post. Have a happy new year, and I hope to be able to do another giveaway really soon. It might be tomorrow, might be next week, but we know it will be next year. So keep showing engagement so I can know who is interacting, who is watching, so that I can do more giveaways. Until then, Miss Mighty Strong, you are this surprise giveaway winner for 2020. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Everybody like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back and see me. Happy New Year! I got a couple more seconds. Oh God, see, I'm running out of time, remember, but all I want to say is keep interacting. Mighty Strong, contact me.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry